I'm Steve, but you know, what's that even matter? Hope you're doing great today. I've got 3 Creedence Clearwater Revival mega hits that I'm going to show you how to play in just a couple of minutes. That was Looking Out My Back Door, fun little song with a capo on the 3rd fret, and I've got 2 more smash hits. So hit like, hit subscribe, and let's get into them. All right, first up, let's learn Up Around the Bend with this crazy slide intro. Isn't that sweet? It'll sound better on an overdriven 335 or Rickenbacker like they played, but you hit the open D string and then slide in the G string all the way to the 11th fret. You can go as far as you want, end up on the 11th fret, and then you go to the 10th fret of the high E and B strings, back to the 11th of the G, and back to the 10th of the B. All together. Like that, really cool. And now you go down to the A string right there and do the same thing, but now you're on the 5th and the 6th frets like this. So again, you're hitting the open A string, sliding into the 6th fret of the G string, and then 5th of the high E and B strings, 6th of the G, and 5th of the B string right there. And then it goes into D major, which is our chord all along the key. D, A, D. D, 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 A, D. G, D, A. This is the chorus. G, D, A. Does it again. Goes into another verse, same thing we just did, and does the same chorus we just did again. So I think 2 verses and a chorus, then a 3rd verse and a chorus. And after that, after that 3rd verse, I don't know why I did that, that 3rd verse and chorus, it goes like this. Right back into that, and then it goes into a guitar solo where it goes sort of the background chords, and then right back into verse number 4. Ends back up on D. Really cool song. Love that slide guitar. It's just real raw, like a lot of their songs. All right, let's go to the next song real quickly. It's Proud Mary, and you know, super iconic intro here. The song is also in D major, but it starts off in a C. So you can see right there, I played it 2 different ways. One is a bar chord C major, and you try not to hit the high E string, down into an A major like that. You could even, you know, play a C up here and an A right there if you want to, you know, with that F shape. Or you can play a regular C major to make it easy on yourself. C, A, C, A. So however you do those, C, A, G, F, 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 D. Right there, end up in D major. Looking at D, classic strumming. B minor. That's a B minor. If it looks like it's off, I use my thumb and it just gets into that 2nd fret of the A string right there. Proud Mary, keep on turning, rolling. I'll show you that in a second. D, this too, like that. So D goes back into verse 2. I'll show you those in a second. Hangs out on D. Big wheels keep on A. B minor. D. Rolling on a river. D, 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 D. C, A. C, A. Same thing. C, G, F, 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 D. Then it goes into a little solo. Before the solo though, let me show you this. When it goes A, B minor, and you can go like this. Second fret of the A string, open D string, and then go to the second fret and hammer it on from the second to the fourth fret, back to the second, and open. So check this out. Pretty cool. Rolling D, rolling on the river. Now, technically, I think it goes like this. Like that. A little bit harder to play because, you know, I don't know, it's a little bit more advanced. Maybe they even had two guitars going on. But the easier thing to do, not that much easier, is go like this. So you take the 11th fret of the G and 10th fret of the B, like that, and go down 2 frets, and then lay this finger on the 7th fret of the G and B strings, and hammer them back on to where we were, to the 9th fret of the G and 8th fret of the B, like that. So, like that. And if you want to make it really easy, just go like this. All you're doing is playing a D major, sorry, and going open, and hammering it onto the 2nd fret, back to open, 3rd fret, open, 3rd fret of that B right there. And it just keeps going. In the same verses and choruses over and over again. Keep on turning, round Mary, keep on turning, rolling. And last up, it's Looking Out My Back Door, the one I played at the beginning of the video. It's in G major with a capo on the 3rd fret. And what makes this one really unique is it has a key change and a time change, which is super unusual. So you start off here with this clicking noise like this. Get that kind of rhythm, and you're gonna need to palm mute right here and get a G major ready to go. And then it kicks in, G, E minor, C, G, D, G. That's the little intro right there, and then it does 2 verses. G, C, sorry, E minor, C, G, D, D, E minor, C, G, D, G. Does another verse right after that. Then it does a bridge where it goes into D, D, C, G, won't you take a ride? E minor, D, G, E minor, C, G, looking, D, out my back door, G. Does a little solo real quickly using the same kind of chords, and it goes back into the same bridge we just did. D, C, G, G, E minor, D, G, E minor, C, G, looking, D, my door. Then it brings back the clicking noise before this cool little walk down with our key change right here. So get that same palm mute clicking and then go from a G. And the reason why I'm barring it here is because you're going to need to bar these other ones. G, F sharp major, F, E, like that, real quick. E, D, A, F sharp minor, E. And A is really our new key. Then it goes dun, 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 F sharp minor, D, D, A, and E, 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 E. And then it does the key change. This slow little walk up from E, the open E, to the 5th, to the 7th fret of that low E string, into A. So A, I'm sort of hitting the A and the E strings like that. And F sharp minor, D, D, A, looking, and I just sometimes bar my A, looking out, E, goes, there's that fast picking, D, D, A, E, on A right there. Again, how unique is it for a time change and a key change all in one song? And then it goes back to the original time. A little wacky, but really great by CCR. All right, I'm gonna do a part 2 of this video. You know, they have so many classic hits that everybody knows and loves. And check out my other ones, you know, from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and beyond. All right, catch you later.